It's Ava and I. It's Ava's YouTube channel. What's it called? Nailed it.
Yes.
Cooking with Ava. And it's Labor Day weekend, and we're making a special dessert. It is Hershey's chocolate cake that my great Uncle Worth used to make. So it's kind of an old-fashioned cake. Is everybody ready? Okay. Okay, so the first thing is what? It says a stick of margarine, but we're going to use a stick of butter. Okay, put that in there.
Oh, it's on.
Yes. Yes, it's on. There you go. Awesome. And then, what's the next thing?
Flour.
Yeah, it says a cup of cake flour. We're not going to do that. We're just going to use this special Hudson Cream self-rising flour. It's already got the leavening agent in it, so let's pour this out. We need a cup of it. All right, put that in there. And the next thing?
Sugar.
How much?
Cup.
A cup of sugar. This is low cal. Just kidding. Okay. Sugar in. And now what's the next things?
So,
After the sugar?
oh, eggs.
How many?
Salt.
Yep. Should be room temperature. Do you want to crack them in here first?
Okay.
So that, yeah, in case there's something gross. We're going to come back after the eggs are cracked.
We can take my left.
Yep, we're on the last one. I think they might want to watch you and your expertise in cracking the egg. Yeah, girl. Okay. And then the next thing is
What's kind of ketchup?
it says pinch of salt. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there.
Salt.
I'll take that. You do the salt.
Okay.
You do the salt. Just a smidgen. That's fine. Yep. And then it says a teaspoon of vanilla. We're not going to measure it. There we go. Okay. And then, oh yeah, I did. I forgot the chocolate syrup, didn't I? Okay, so it calls for a large can of Hershey syrup. So that's kind of a old-fashioned thing that they apparently don't make anymore. So we're going to use this. And apparently the can was 16 ounces. So we're going to measure out 16 ounces, so wish me luck. And we're going to use the little, cocktail making glass. So we'll measure out. This is the most in here is 5 ounces. So there's 5. So pour that in there. Now we're gonna need some more to make 16.
In a minute.
I got a problem with the other. Sorry. Having issues over
There we
here.
go.
Got it? Okay, squeeze some more in there. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Ava. Ava.
Quit.
Okay. Here, let me see. Alright, let's just throw this away. Alright. So we still don't have a full 5. You want to do this?
Nope, you do it.
You want me to do it? Okay. Well, this one's not gonna. Okay.
Okay, open it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah, open it. Ha ha. Ouch. So we put 5 in there. We're going to put 5 more. So how many is that total?
2.
Yes. No, 5 plus 5 is 10.
Got it.
Yes, we did put 2 of the glasses. Okay, smarty britches. So that's only 10. We need 16 ounces. So, yeah, my chef here is
Sorry.
busy eating it.
It's gonna spill.
So we got another 5. So 5, 10,
15.
15. You got it. So that's 15. We need 16. So we got to do 1 more ounce.
In a minute.
In a minute.
It's dripping.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Well.
And then let's see. I got find another ounce. There we go. Okay. That's it. We got 16 ounces. Hopefully we did it right.
Okay.
Here, let's do this. Let's get a little spatula and get it out. There we go. All right, and you can stir, stir, stir.
Okay. Move back.
Stirring and stirring.
Oh boy.
All right, so we got the butter, the flour, the sugar, the eggs, the syrup, the salt, the vanilla. Okay. And oh, by the way, our oven is preheating to what temperature?
395.
375. 375.
375.
Yes. It's always important to clean your mess up along the way. Is the butter not?
Nope.
Okay. We'll return in a second. So we poured it in the pan. And I'm not really sure why I didn't cream the butter and the sugar together. You should probably do that before you put the other stuff in. Check back with us. We gotta bake it for how many minutes? 25 to 30?
Yeah.
Because we have an icing. So this is after it's cooked. Like, it said 25 to 30 minutes, but I think I did it like 35 minutes. But then we've got to make the icing. You gotta turn the burner on.
Oh boy. To what?
Just turn on high. Yep. And we need a stick of butter.
Oh my god, it's hot.
Well, you can turn it down a little bit if you want. Turn it down. There we go. And then a cup of sugar. And then this can of milk.
Yeah, you do that.
This is evaporated milk, not sweetened condensed. All right, throw that away. Okay, now we're gonna stir it. Okay, so we gotta boil this for 2 minutes. We'll turn the timer on. We'll be back. We're back. So we'll boil 2 minutes. Now pour the walnuts. It calls for pecans, but I think it should have walnuts. So we did walnuts. Put the walnuts in there. That's a cup of walnuts. And then we're going to put chocolate chippies.
Chips.
Chocolate chips.
That's English.
And then stir it. Yes, ma'am.
Now you.
You don't want to stir it?
Nope.
Why?
Nope.
It's not hot anymore. Okay, the sous chef is having to do the chef work apparently. Ooh, it's all melty. Melty goodness.
Oh, yeah.
You know, see?
And just sitting there, that's our dog.
Whoops. Okay. I think I did. I spilled it a little bit. Oh well.
Yes, it.
It is what it is.
Yum.
Yum. And I use dark chocolate chips. Oops. Alright, you think it's stirred up enough? Ava?
Yes.
Stirred up enough? Okay, we gotta pour it. Okay. Ready? Come over so you can see it. Yes.
Can I make that noise?
Me or the
You.
drippy drip?
You.
Am I being annoying?
Kinda.
I'm always annoying.
Nope. This sometimes you are.
I know. Alright, let's move it around a little bit. Get some chocolatey goodness on everything.
I'm being a video, Roxy.
Was Roxy in the video?
Kinda. What's right here?
Alright, what do you think?
Perfect.
Did you get a nice video of it?
Yes.
So it's kind of like a brownie, kind of like a cake. And now the sous chef is probably going to lick the spatula.
Yes, I am.
Okay.